Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we are going to create and manage companies. You can create a new company in the CRM, as well as edit existing ones. You need to go to the company window and select New Company, which is the icon with the plus. Company name and address need to be included in order to create a valid company. When writing the address, it is important to select the country as it helps with the rest of the address. Once you add your country, the magnifying glass icon can help you search for a zip code or a city. There are also other options in the top bar. For example, you can add a secondary address or add trade information. It is also possible to attach files to the profile, as well as information about the products you would like to sell to that company and products that they have purchased from competitors. You can also add sales statistics, warnings, and comments to the company's profile. Once you are done filling the form, click on Save and you are done. Furthermore, it is possible to save the company in the CRM or with a new contact. You just need to follow the same procedure as before, but click on Save and Create Contact. Then another window pops up where you can fill in the information about the contact person. When creating a company, you can also create a company in iGlobe CRM from Outlook by selecting an email and opening the add-in. You just need to click on Create a Company on the right side of the menu. You can use the search bar to find any company within your company list in iGlobe CRM, both in the app and in Outlook. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!